Welcome to Wildrose Media's Spring Craft Box tutorial. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to make the clothespin dragonflies. Begin by emptying your craft kit onto your work surface. You'll have 4 striped pipe cleaners, 2 clothespins with springs, a bag with 5 googly eyes, a cotton swab, and you'll need the glue and the markers from your spring box. Begin by decorating the clothespins using the markers. Use any color scheme you like, and you don't have to do stripes. You can do polka dots, zigzags, whatever you'd like. Now we'll glue on the eyes. You'll need the cotton swab and the glue. Dip the cotton swab in the glue and place a line of glue near the top of the clothespin for the eyes. One at a time, take the eyes and place them on the glue. It can be a little tricky because they're very tiny. So in case you lose one, I included an extra eye. Once the eyes are placed, we're going to work on the wings. Fold the pipe cleaner in half and then loosely fold it in half again. Overlap the ends and twist them together. You'll do the same for the other pipe cleaner. Put one pipe cleaner underneath the other, flat on your table, and shape them into wings. Once your wings are shaped, place them into the jaw of the clothespin. Then you'll repeat the process for the other one. Fold the pipe cleaner in half and then fold it in half again. Overlap the ends and twist them together. Once your wings are shaped, place them into the jaw of the clothespin. Your project is complete. Thanks for watching. Please like and share if you've enjoyed this video.